How to create sports flyer design using Canva for beginners. Hey guys, welcome to another Canva tutorial in which I will be showing you how you can create a sports flyer using Canva as a complete beginner for free. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to canva.com and you will land on this platform. Canva is an amazing online software that allows you to edit videos, photos, create presentations, logos, and much, much more. Today, we'll be creating a sports flyer, so let's get into it. You're gonna sign in to your canva.com using your Google account or your email address, and this is where you will land. Once you get to Canva dashboard, you're gonna go to the search bar over here and you're gonna search for flyer. Now, this will save you a lot of time because it will directly take you to your flyers template, and here we will also get our layout, we will get our measurements, and you can also check out the amazing templates available on Canva. So it depends on what kind of flyer you are creating. Today we're creating a sports flyer, so I can even search for different categories, and in category we can go for sports. And now you can see it's showing me all of these sports flyer. If you see something that you like and you want to customize a template, you can do that. Feel free to do that, and you, as a complete beginner, it will actually help you a lot. But I'm going to actually create one from blank. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply select this. It will take us to our flyer canvas, and we have 5.5 by 8.5. Here again we have different templates. So this is our editor. At the top here, I'm gonna call it sports flyer. Now we're gonna get to work, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my uploads, and this is where I'll upload images. Today I'm creating a football flyer for let's say Argentina, and what I'm gonna do is I will be uploading some pictures of Messi, and so I have uploaded the images. You can download the images from the internet, from Pinterest, anywhere you want to find the images. So once you find the images, you're gonna simply download them and then click on upload files and upload to Canva. So I have uploaded this image. For instance, once the image is uploaded, now if you're using Canva Pro, it will be very easy for you. You're gonna click on edit photo here and click on remove background. So you will remove the background because I want to create the kind of flyer in which there will not be a background and this figure will appear on the flyer. So this way we're gonna remove the background of our two images that we have. And if you do not have Canva Pro, then you can use another tool to remove the background. So after that, you will just simply add your figures to your flyer. So I will be adding these two images. So now you can see I have these two images added. We can go to elements. Let's change the background color of our flyer. So I'm gonna change it to blue or make it darker. So I'm gonna go to my color palette here and we're gonna select a darker shade of blue and something like this. Okay, so this actually looks way better. Now I'm gonna actually adjust the figures that I had added, or the images, and I'm gonna place them here at the bottom and make them a little bigger. If you do not want to go for more than one image, then you can maybe just select just one, but I have added two. Now what I will do is I'll place this one here in the background. Click on these three dots and you'll be able to send anything to background. We have layers on Canva. So this actually helps a lot in a sports flyer. You can bring anything forward, bring anything to the front, send anything to the back or backwards, and you can also, show the layers. So I have actually added this figure in the background and this one here in the front. Let's actually make this one a little bigger, like so. And now I'm gonna select the one in the back and place it here. Okay, so this looks better now. And okay, perfect. Now we're gonna play around with our different elements to make it look like a flyer. Let's add our text. So for the text, I'm gonna go to the text section and add a heading. We can also select different, fonts from here, but I'm just gonna go with the heading. And let's say my flyer actually says, so my flyer just says Messi 10, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the fonts now. So for a flyer, make sure to go for a font. The font is not the main part of a sports flyer actually. We just want to focus on the main, text, and then we can change the font. So now I'm going to play around with different fonts here. And when it comes to a sports flyer, there is a font that I really like, which is this elongated font. And I'm going to select that. This one right here, you can see. This is the look that I wanted. Now we're going to place it here. Let's first change the color of our text. And the color is going to be white so that it pops out on our dark background. Perfect. Now, what I will do is I'll actually make the text bigger, like so. Select it. And we're going to actually go to the spacing here and decrease the letter spacing a little bit. Perfect. And there you go. So this is our text. Now, if I wanted to add, more text, or if I wanted to, actually, let me customize the text a little bit and actually add the separate text. Okay, now it will actually look much better. So we're gonna go for the same font for our other text. Okay, now I think I will be able to play around with the text a little more. So now we'll make it quite big. So this is our text here, and we're gonna click on these three dots, go to layers, and send it backward, and it will look like this. Now you can see our flyer looks really good. We're gonna go to elements now, and I'm gonna search for gradients. So in our gradients, you'll be able to find a bunch of different gradients, and gradient actually give our flyer that, depth, and it makes it look much better. So let's actually select this one and check this one out. And I'm gonna check something blue and maybe darker. Okay, this one. Select the gradient and add it. So I'm gonna add it right here at the bottom. And now you can see it's giving it that look, And we're gonna scroll down to find other gradients like this. And we have different blue and darker gradients. This one is really good too. We can change the color of our gradient if we want to. So I'm gonna select this one, but we'll change the colors to blue. Actually, a darker blue. And now you can see this is what my gradient looks like. And I will flip it and we'll place the gradient at the top here. So you can see the difference that it's now giving it that blend look. It's blending the, background with the text and with our figures that we have. So if you want to do more, for instance, let's add something here a little darker, I think. Something like a darker shade. So I'm just going to go with this here, which is a black, circle type of gradient, but I'm going to change it. So we're going to go to the colors and give it the darker blue here. I'm going to make it bigger and then I'll place it here. So now you can see the difference. This is what I wanted. Just like a depth and a shadow. So I'm going to copy and we're going to Control plus V and we have another gradient. So I'm going to place it now on this side like so. Select it, click on these three dots, go to the layers and send it to the back. And this is what it looks like now. Now you can see our flyer looks really good. This one is actually looking really good. And you can see the depth, the shadows we added with the gradients. Play around with the gradients. When it comes to a sports flyer, you can add different figures and your text. So once your flyer is ready, you're just going to click on a file here and click on download, or you can click on share and download. So I'm going to just download from the file option here, and we can download it as JPG, PNG, and a PDF print as well, or PDF standard. For now, I'm going to use as a digital flyer, so I'm going to go with PNG. Click on download and our sports flyer will be downloaded from Canva. Canva is an amazing tool that allows you to create amazing sports flyer. So go ahead and check it out right now. I hope this video was a big help. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.